Hey, it's Coach Hope. If you're over 40 and feel like your metabolism has hit a wall, you're not imagining it. Your body's chemistry really has changed. Your hormones, your muscle, your metabolism, they've all shifted. So when you try eating less, doing more cardio, or cutting carbs, it might work for a while, but then your results stall. That's not a willpower problem, it's a metabolism problem. The good news? You can reset it. With the right mix of medical weight loss, steady GLP-1 support, strength-based workouts, and hormone-friendly nutrition, your body can finally start burning fat again, efficiently, steadily, and safely. But here's where it gets even better. When your metabolism resets, everything else starts to click. You sleep deeper, your mood evens out, you stop riding the blood sugar roller coaster, your cravings fade, your energy stays steady, and your confidence comes back. You start showing up differently in your relationships, your work, your workouts, and that spark you thought you lost, it's still there. It just needed a little help waking up. This isn't about getting skinny, it's about feeling strong, calm, and capable in your own skin again. If that sounds like the reset you've been waiting for, comment reset below, and I'll send you the details on how to get started.